We're at Mooers Camp. Nous sommes on Mooers Camp. Lundi après-midi. You see there's a big camp, and then our camper is just past there, but whoa, I've never seen it this bad. There's the youth, the playground. They said this is like, see the river 200 feet away. C'est jamais aussi haut que ça. La rivière est 200 pieds. And ça sauté le bank, it's jumped the bank. So, oh man, look at, they just put in that laundromat. Ils ont mis la sécheuse puis pour laver le linge. So, wow, it's high. So I'll get another video. We just brought the kids in the fall playing on that playground. On a amené les jeunes pour jouer sur le playground. So this is up high a little bit, so we're safe. But thoughts and prayers for our Mooers Camp family. Et prières pour la famille de Mooers Camp.